Hi everyone, I'm back with my junk journal January 2025, but officially now we have moved out of January. But I'm going to keep doing it because I've started on this challenge, so I'm going to bring it to its completion. I have completed till day 17 in January, so I'm going to continue the rest of them in February. All right, so working on the prompt bright. So I have this idea where I have this very pastel yellowish color paper, and I'm going to build some texture on top of it, and then I'm going to use it in my journal and create a journal based on this. So I'm going to use a lot of different bright distress oxide and put it on top of it to create texture. So let's get started. Okay, so this looks dry, and today I'm just experimenting with things which do not require any stenciling or any stamping. So I started with splatter, and it's looking very nice. I'm liking it. Yes. And now I want to do one more thing. I want to try the brayer, and I'm going to bray the colors on top of it just to see what happens. So it can go completely wrong or it can go very right. No idea. Okay, I'm quite happy with how this page is looking. Really appreciate this. And there's this which I got from removing the extra, so I'm going to use it someday. I'm going to let it dry naturally, and we'll see if we can use it someday. So I'm liking how it's looking right now, and I'm going to give it a quick dry, and we'll see. Okay, now it's dry. So I'm going to put this page on top of these two pages to create the background. So let's just start working on it. Okay, I'm happy with how the page look. It's now trimmed to the size and looking very nice. So I'm going to use peacock feathers to distress the edges of the page. Okay, I'm happy with the whole composition of the page. Now it's time to add some focal element. So I'm going to see what works best. This one is looking a little bit into the background, but I think I don't mind. I can give it a black outline. But yeah, it's looking very nice and simple page. And I think I should glue it down. All right, guys, here's a close-up. I'm loving how the splatters and the brayer has created this beautiful texture on this lemon yellow page, and everything is coming up very nicely together, and these rustic kind of leaves and flowers are getting right kind amount of pop to show up on the page, though with a little bit of help with the blank plan with the outline. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with the page, and I think it is doing justice to the prompt bright, because it's a very bright page. Wait till you see the photographs which I'll take in the sun. Yeah, I'm very happy with this page. So guys, hope you like this page. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up. Leave comments below and what you could have done to make this page more bright and better, or if you're going to try this technique in your art journal, do let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.